What's up, guys? Today we got something truly exciting to discuss, the highly anticipated Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. These phones are generating waves in the tech world, and we are here to give you an in-depth look at every aspect. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech updates. Let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about the design and display of the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. These devices continue Google's tradition of clean and minimalist design. The aluminum frame not only feels premium but also enhances the phone durability. The glass back is induction towards elegance, supports wireless charging, and is available in a range of captivating colors. The Pixel 8 sports a 6.1-inch OLED display with full HD Plus resolution. It's a vibrant and impressive screen, but it's the Pixel 8 Pro that takes it up with a notch, with a larger 6.7-inch OLED display boasting a quad HD Plus resolution. What's more, the Pro model features LTPO technology, dynamically adjusting the refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz, not only ensuring battery smooth scrolling but also saving battery life when high refresh rate are needed. Now let's talk about the cameras, which are often the highlights of the Pixel devices. The Pixel 8 features a dual camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. The improvements in the low light performance and the HDR processing make it easier than ever to capture stunning photos in challenging conditions. On the Pixel 8 Pro, we'll find versatile triple camera system alongside the 50-megapixel main sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. There's a new 48-megapixel telephoto lens that provides 4x optical zoom. This is a game changer for photography enthusiasts, allowing you to get closer to your subjects without sacrificing image quality. Additionally, Google's computational photography is even smarter this time around, ensuring your photos are not only sharp but also packed with vibrant colors and dynamic range. Moving under the hood, the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro have some impressive performance specs. Both models are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a true flagship chipset. Coupled with the ample RAM and storage options, these phones deliver snappy performance, smooth multitasking, and exceptional gaming experience. Let's explore the software and unique features that set Pixel series apart. Running on the Android 13, these phones offer a clean, wear-free interface and enhanced with privacy controls. Google's commitment to timely update means you will among the first to experience the latest Android features and security patches. Google's AI-powered features such as Google Assistant, Google Photos with ultimate high-quality storage, and the Pixel's Titan's M2 security chip all contributors to make these devices smart, secure, and user-friendly. Now let's talk about the battery life and charging. The Pixel 8 comes equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, while the 8 Pro packs a larger 5000 mAh battery. This combined with software optimization ensures you will easily get through a full day on a single charge. Plus, both models support fast charging, so even if you are running low on the battery, a quick 15-minute charge can give you several hours of usage. Finally, let's discuss pricing and availability. While exact pricing may vary depending on your region and storage configuration, Google's typically position the Pixel 8 as competitive flagship offering and the Pixel 8 Pro as premium choice. There you have it, folks. A deep dive into the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. These devices combine stunning design, top-rated cameras, powerful performance, and a pure Android experience. If you are on the market for a new smartphone, the Pixel 8 series is certainly worth considering. Make sure you stay tuned to our channel for more in-depth reviews and updates. That's wrap up today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.